Today, we're going to add a beautiful dreamy glow effect to your video. This effect gives your footage a soft, glowing, ethereal look that's perfect for romantic or fantasy vibes. Let's get started. First, open your project in InShot and tap on the clip where you want to apply the effect. Now, tap Effect from the bottom toolbar and make sure you're in the Effect tab. Next, scroll to the Stylize tab where you'll find the Dreamy effect. Tap to apply it to your clip. Once the effect is added, you'll see a value slider at the bottom. Adjust this slider to control the intensity of the dreamy glow. Slide it to the right for a stronger glow, or keep it more subtle by sliding it to the left. Once you're happy with the intensity, tap the check mark to apply the effect, and that's it. You've successfully added a dreamy glow effect to your video in InShot. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and easy InShot tips.